Welcome everyone to another video. Today we will explore whether the emotions are innate biological responses or they are shaped by our culture and experiences. Some people think that emotions are hardwired into our bodies and they are the same for everyone, no matter where they are coming from. But at the same time, it can be greatly affected by the personal experiences and by the social norms. Let's explore the theories that support each side. The first theory, which is Robert Sapolsky, supported that emotions are innate biological responses, and that's because emotions are part of our biological structure. They are hardwired into our brain and into our biological processes. They are developed over time to help the human race to survive. The evidence for this is that we find in our brain a part called the amygdala. This part plays a crucial role in processing emotions like fear or aggression, and its functions are adjusted by the stress hormone like the cortisol. And if we look for the brain structures and the emotional reactions for the other species, that will support the idea that every species has the same core biological mechanism for processing emotions. So we have the other side, which is emotions are affected by the social norms. And our theory came from Catherine Lutz. Catherine argued that emotions are shaped by our social norms and situations rather than being universal. And she also showed that how emotions are expressed or experienced are significantly changes across many cultures. The evidence for this is that while some emotions are recognized universally, they are affected by some social norms, and that shows that the social factors can shape the emotions. So Robert's theory is supported by a lot of evidence, like the amygdala part in fear and aggression, and his studies on different species to find the similarities in the emotional processing. But it also may forget the social influence on the emotional expression, potentially oversimplifying the diversity of the emotional experiences across different cultures. On the other hand, Catherine's theory emphasizes that emotions are greatly affected by the social norms and situation in how the emotions are expressed and experienced. This shows the social diversity in emotional experiences across many cultures. But this theory has many weaknesses, like it minimizes the role of the universal, biological, and progressive aspects of emotion, neglecting the shared biological processes across different cultures. So reflecting on this debate, I find that emotions are a mix of biological responses and social constructions. This also highlights that we may have the basic emotions, but it could be changed by our cultural background or by our social experiences. Understanding that emotions are involving biological and social factors helps us to approach the other with more empathy, because this makes us understand that we have the basic emotions, but it can vary from one to another greatly. This perspective helps us to become more sensitive and open-minded in our interactions. And that was everything for our video. Thank you.